Okay, so we're going to use the background eraser tool to cut out an image. So I'll pick up my image, drop it in. There you go, I've got the chilies, and I drag it down, and I've just copied the background. Okay, I always copy the background just in case I mess up, then I can delete the one I'm working on and go back to the original. Okay, so background eraser tool's here. And as always, I'm going to make sure it's the middle one. Okay, there, it's got sampling once, discontiguous, and I'm going to make this down, take the tolerance down to about 17. I think that'd be okay. Control plus or Command plus should do it. Okay, maybe I don't need to zoom in that much. Okay. So I'm going to sample the background color that I want to delete. So hold down the mouse or the touchpad, and then I just rub out or erase the background. Okay. Hopefully, if your background isn't the same color as the edge of the thing you're cutting out, then it shouldn't delete it. You can see that works pretty well. Okay. His hair's still staying, their hair's still staying. You can see in there's going to be a problem. Okay, it's a slightly different background color. So what I can do is, if I just zoom in, you can see that it hasn't got rid of it here or here. So if I select that color, go in again, and just go over it again, you can see that that's going to work much better. Okay. So I'm just going to zoom out, so Command minus or Control minus, okay, I'm just going to select there, click, and then I should be able to get rid of the rest of it. Okay, just go over it again, and that's done a proper job, hopefully. Whoop. Okay, is there any more? No, I can't. Okay, so I've deleted that sort of mushroom coloured background. Okay, now I'm going to go File, Open, and I have got somewhere, I've got, oh, cancel, I've got an image. It is there, it's in Magazine. I don't know why that one opened. Let's go again. Magazine cover, I don't need that, I need Magazine. Okay, and there, I'm going to open this one. Okay, so I've got Urban Decay there, and I've got the picture I was working on here with the chili peppers. Okay, so if I just drag this one down a little, it gives me a window, and then I can take the layer I was working on and just drop it straight onto the background. Okay, if I use the Move tool, I can move these. You can see they're a bit too big, aren't they? These are a bit scary as well. So if I go to Edit, Transform, Scale, whoop, I get this sort of wireframe, and I can just resize these. Okay, so I think that looks about right, and I can play plus, and there you go. I've taken this band and I've cut them out and I've put them onto a different layer. If I wanted to, then I could save as, I can save as a PSD, or I can save as a JPEG if I've finished my project. Okay.